exercises need to be done after total hip replacement, initial 10 to 15 days. First exercise, ankle pumps. Move your ankle up and down 1, 2, 10 times. Second leg. Second exercise is buttock squeeze. So patient has to squeeze the buttocks, hold and relaxed. 1, 2, 10 times. 3. Third exercise is static quads. Patient has to keep one cushion or a towel roll under the knee and press the knee onto the towel. Press the knee on the towel. 1, 10 times. 2, 3 with both the legs. Exercise is heel slides. Patient has to bend the knee but avoid bending over 90 degrees straight. Again 2, straight. Other leg. 1, 2, fifth exercise is single leg raise. Patient has to bend one knee first and with the support he has to lift straight leg up. 1, down. 2, down. Fifth exercise is side abduction. Move leg out, in. 2, 10 times. Other leg.